Hey everybody, what's up? It's Lakh and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, then welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my July hits and misses, so what I've been liking this month and what I haven't been liking so much. So yeah, I have some really good products that I want to share with you guys, so let's just get started. Alright, so the first thing I have is this Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder, and I made a video on the Colourpop foundation and this setting powder, and this is a setting powder in the banana shade, and I really have been liking the setting powder. I use it all the time, so here is what it looks like. I don't want to spill it, but yeah, so it's a banana color. It's really nice, works really well, really soft, blends into the skin really nicely, and I like it so much. I've been using it ever since I got it, and it just looks so good on the skin. It is an affordable price, but it's not cheap. It's really nicely made. It seems really finely milled and soft and everything. And yeah, this color works really nice with my skin tone. So they have a translucent, the banana, and a medium deep one. So this is the one that I chose for my skin tone, and it works really well. So if you are looking for an affordable one, then this is a really good option. There is less in here than a traditional setting powder, like the Laura Mercier, for instance. It is less, but it is less money too. But for me, I don't really go through setting powder all that fast, so this amount doesn't bother me that much, and it wasn't as expensive as the Laura Mercier one either. So yeah, I've been really liking this, and it works really well. Okay, next up I have a concealer, and this concealer I've been liking a lot, and I don't know why I didn't expect to like it that much when I first got it, but I've been using it ever since I got this. And this is a KKW concealer, and it is in the shade number 9. So this is the shade number 9 concealer, and I like it a lot for my skin tone. I'll give you guys a little swatch. It's really yellow. This concealer is really yellow, more yellow than my other concealers are, but I actually really like that about it, and it works really well with my skin tone. So just for shade reference, in MAC I'm an NC42, so this color number 9 works really well with my skin tone, and this concealer, just everything about it is really nice. I like the consistency, I like the way it applies. It doesn't give me creases anywhere after I set it. It looks really nice, and I also like the applicator it comes with because it's kind of that paddle applicator, and I really like that to put on concealer because you can dip it once and put on concealer everywhere you need to put it, and so I really like that about it too. And yeah, it's really nice. It's just a really nice concealer, and I'm glad that the shade I got works for my skin tone, because how it is only online, it would suck to mess up and not get the right shade. But yeah, the shade is really good, and the concealer is really good, and I've been really happy with it. Okay, next up I have a whole bunch of lip products, and I think you guys will really like this because I've been getting questions lately of what lipsticks I use and stuff. So I think you guys will like this because it's a lot of lipsticks. So first I'm going to start with lip liner. And okay, this might seem simple, but this lip liner is so good and works so well with, I kid you not, all of my nude lipsticks. So this is the Colourpop BFF number 3 lip liner, and it's a dark brown lip liner, and this works so well with nude lipsticks. I'm wearing this lip liner right now too with another lipstick that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. And it just works so well. Colourpop lip liners are so creamy and they glide on so easily. And I'll show you guys a little swatch of the color. So this is what the color looks like right there. It's a really nice dark chocolate brown shade. And yeah, it works so perfect with nude lipsticks because, as you guys might know, when you have a really nude lipstick, you want to have, and if you have, darker skin, you have color in your skin, you want to have a darker lip liner to put on, to line your lips with, so that the lipstick doesn't completely wash you out. And this is such a nice lip liner. Before this, I would always use a MAC Cork lip liner, and that one I also really like. That's one of my favorites too, but this one is more creamier and it just glides on so nicely. And when you have to blend, when you have to put your lips together and blend it out, it's so easy to blend with this. So I've been using this literally with all my nude lipsticks. So, and it's Colourpop, so it's affordable, and you won't be spending $17 on a lip liner for it. I think these are, I don't remember how much these are, but a lot less than $17. So yeah, I definitely think this is a really good lip liner. Okay, the next lip liner I have is this Maybelline Color Sensation shaping lip liner, and it's in the shade 118 Raw Chocolate. And this is also a really nice creamy lip liner, and it's also a darker chocolate shade. It's less, actually it's not dark chocolate, I would say. It's not dark chocolate at all, actually. It's more of a salmony brown color, like it has a little bit of pink in it, but this is what it looks like. And this lip liner isn't like the other one where it's a dark chocolate brown, but it's like a nice kind of rusty brown. Yeah, rusty brown, that's what it is. And so I've been really liking this, and I use this in conjunction with this Maybelline lipstick, and it's number 60 Chocolate Lust. And this is a shine lipstick, and I really like shiny lips, and this lipstick is just so nice. So this is what the lipstick looks like, and then that's the lip liner next to it. So this lipstick looks so nice on my skin tone, on a medium tan brown skin tone. Looks so nice, and it's a shiny lipstick, so if you don't like that, then you probably won't like this lipstick. But if you do, then this is so easy because it looks like you're wearing a gloss, but it's just a lipstick. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1, I would say. But yeah, it's such a pretty color, and it looks so nice on the lips. And this combo, it just works really, really well. So, and it's also Maybelline, so you can get it at the drugstore, Walmart, CVS, wherever. It's easy to get. But yeah, I really, really have been liking this too. Okay, the next lipstick I have is a KKW lipstick, and this is one of her nude lipsticks, and it's in the shade number 4. So I did a video on the KKW lipstick and concealer, and I'll link it somewhere up here so you guys can see that if you want to see what it looks like on my lips. But this color number 4 I like a lot, and I've been wearing this lipstick in conjunction with the BFF number 3 lip liner, and it looks really, really pretty. So let me go show you guys a little swatch on my hand. This shade is really nice. I really enjoy it. And at first I thought it would be a little too light on me, and without a lip liner, it is the tiniest bit too light, but it still looks fine. In the winter time, I think I could even wear it without a lip liner. I just like it better with a lip liner because it kind of adds definition to the lips. But yeah, this is what the color looks like, and it's such a nice creamy lipstick. It's really comfortable, and it just glides on. It's not matte, it's a creamier lipstick, like a cream lipstick, and it just looks really nice. And it has a little bit of shine to it, but not too much. But yeah, this lipstick is really comfortable and really nice. So yeah, I definitely would recommend if you were looking to buy any of her nude lipsticks. The next lipstick is actually the one I'm wearing on my lips right now with the BFF number 3 lip liner, and this is the Too Faced the Natural Nudes lipstick, and this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Pout About It. So this is what it comes in. It is so cute. The packaging is so cute on this. It has like a floral like theme to it. It's really, really cute. And yeah, this is the shade Pout About It, and I'm wearing it right now so you guys can see exactly what it looks like, and I'll give you guys a little swatch too. So this is more of a pinky, like mauve-y pink lipstick, and it's really pretty. I really like this with the dark brown lip liner, and it just looks really nice. So you can see exactly what it looks like, and it's a nice nude pink lipstick, and it just looks great. And also these lipsticks are so comfortable, you just glide them on. I hate matte liquid lipsticks. I cannot do them. I do them sometimes, very rarely, but otherwise I just like a traditional lipstick, and this one is that, and it's so comfortable, and yeah, it's just really easy, and I really like it. The next lipstick is also a Too Faced lipstick, and at Ulta they were having a buy one get one free for the for these lipsticks, so I got 2 of them. And this is in the shade Girl Code, and so this is what it looks like on the outside. Also a really, really pretty shade. This shade is a little bit darker than the last one I showed you guys. This one is more of a true mauve. It has some dark brown, pink, mauve-y tone to it, and it's really pretty. So this one I can wear without a lip liner, and I don't necessarily have to put on a dark brown lip liner because it's pretty dark itself. And yeah, this color is also so pretty, one of my favorite colors to wear on my lips, and it's just really pretty, and just like the last one, it's comfortable, it's nice, and yeah, I've been really, really liking it. Okay, the last favorite I have for this month is not a lipstick. It's actually, this is weird, but it's actually a brush cleaner, and I really want to talk about this because this has saved me so much time and energy and just made cleaning makeup brushes so much easier, and it's a really good price. So this is a Morphe solid brush cleaner, and it looks like this. So this is the packaging that it comes in. It's just a little like circular container like this. and then you open it up, right? So you open it and then it looks like this. It's just white from the inside, like that. And this is the soap. And so what you do is you wet your brush, like you wet it in the sink, and then you swirl it in here, and then all the color will come off and it'll clean your brush, and it will literally make your brush like brand new. And also it's so easy and quick, because before what I used to do is I used to have a liquid brush cleaner, so it'd be like basically like a shampoo. And so what I would do is I would wet the brush, then I would put the shampoo on my hand like a little bit, and then I would do this with the brush and clean it, and then I have to do that every single time for all of my brushes. And it was so just tedious, and it took so long. It just took forever, because the act of just putting the shampoo in your hand every single time just took forever. So with this, it's all just in this little bar right here in this container. So all you have to do is wet your brush, swirl this, it's clean, and then you just rinse this out, and then you start over again. It's just so freaking easy. And also, this thing smells like vanilla frosting. Like legit, it smells like vanilla frosting. I think the scent is cocoa butter, but it literally smells even better than cocoa butter. It smells like vanilla frosting. So it smells good, it cleans brushes so well, and it not only is it really fast to do this and takes less time, but it cleans the brushes itself really nicely. It actually, some of my brushes, you don't have to use a brush for a long time, like an eyeshadow brush especially, or a foundation brush, and the color still remains. Even though you clean it, it's still clean, but it has that like color to it because you just used it a lot. This brush actually, like some of my eyeshadow brushes that have had color on them, like pinks and purples that just stain the brush, that colors actually came off after I've used this, and it's crazy, and they look brand new. My brushes literally look brand new. So this was, I think, like $9 or something, and this has just literally been so easy for me to clean my brushes, and I actually want to clean them more often because I know it's not going to take me forever anymore. So yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about this because I think this is a really, really good purchase, and it's been so helpful. Okay, so time for the things that I haven't been liking this month. So first of all, the first thing I didn't like this month, and I actually don't have it with me because I returned it because it didn't work for me, so I was like, why am I gonna keep this? So I returned it, but I'll put a picture of it right here or something. But it was the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel, and so I got this because I wanted to get into more hair products and see what would work for me and what would not. And so I heard a lot of good things about the Ultra Defining Gel, that it would hold the curls, and I was looking for something that for this heat and stuff, for when I go outside, for my curls to stay in the curl and not like break apart and get frizzy and stuff. And so I wanted a gel, and I tried out the Ultra Defining Gel, but it just didn't work for my hair. It just, I don't know, I felt like it made my hair more frizzy. I felt like the gel didn't hold my curls, but it just made my hair a little bit more frizzier. And so it was weird because I've heard so many good things about it, but for me it just didn't work. And I mean, that's okay because things don't work for everybody. So for my hair type, it didn't work. It just made my hair a little bit more frizzy than it normally is, and not not like sleek, but as, I don't know, as neat as the curls usually are. It was just a little bit more frizzy. So I didn't end up liking that, and I returned it because it didn't work. So yeah, if you have hair like mine, then I would say try it out if you want to, but for me it didn't work. And then another thing I have, so this isn't actually an unfavorite or something I totally dislike, but it's something kind of in the middle. I didn't really like it, but I don't also hate it either. And it's the Colourpop foundation, and I got the shade Medium Dark 115. And so this foundation, I don't hate it, but I also didn't love it either. It's just kind of in between. I'm actually wearing it right now too because I wanted to test it one more time. Just this foundation, there was nothing really special about it, and then it also breaks really fast into my smile lines, and then up here too, like it kind of settled into the dryness I have. And with other foundations that I really like, they don't do that. So I mean, this foundation is a really good price and everything like that, but it's not my favorite. I don't hate it, but I don't also love it either. And it kind of gets me oily faster too, even when I do set my face, because I find this foundation is a little shiny. And so I didn't totally enjoy that about it, but I don't hate it at the same time. It's just one of those weird things where it just didn't really wow me, and I wouldn't use it all that often, but it's also not bad. So yeah, take that as you will, and that's what I think about this. Alright guys, so that was my July hits and misses. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found some things that you might want to try for yourself. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to thumbs it up before you leave and subscribe to the channel also before you leave. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey, 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 hey.